Okay. So, Namaste. Today is the 14th day. If you remember, on 13th day, I have told you we will be going for today manifestation ritual. What is manifestation and what is ritual and why this is ritual? Manifestation, you're feeling that something is happening. You see, you experience something is happening, and when we are doing our own guided way, we are planning for that. Means this all classes we are making. Okay, I should get my desire to fulfill, right? So you are preparing your subconscious mind what you want, and when you say manifestation, you are feeling that this is happening. You are experiencing this is happening. You are seeing it is happening. So for happening, you need to do some process. Ritual means some process or action you are doing same way, same time, same fashion. That means it's a discipline way. Now why this? When you make ritual, doing things and forgetting is not happening, is truly not happening. When you make it a manifestation ritual, that means you do the same thing, whatever you are doing, whatever the process you have started. I mean, if you take example, morning when you get up, you brush your teeth. The process you are making, you wash your face and brush your teeth, or you study or see the news. You made a some process, ritual. That is called ritual. That means anything, any action you are doing, and same way, same time you are maintaining. Suppose morning 7:30, so morning 7:30 you are doing. That means that particular time when you do 21 days, your brain is having certain neurons, right? It's a scatterway for all actions. Now when you start doing one action one day, some neurons are getting accumulated for this action. Second day, third day, fourth day. So by 21st day to 28 days, your neurons get accumulated for this particular action at particular time, which your brain knows. If you're doing at 7:30, your brain knows yes, 7:30 this person is going to do this action, and it's my habit now. After 21 days to 28 days, when you continuously do with discipline way, that becomes your habit, which creates the energy with emotion. When you feel that this is required, you make this energy to flow and impact universe to give you back what you have asked. That is the basically process. That means anything you do ritual way and 20 to 21 days, it is going to happen definitely. Some situation will create, you will feel this is happening. Now if this is that, if you understood this, now what is this manifestation ritual? You remember 3 days, 11th, 12th, 13th day, we are going for the intention sheet. You have created your intention, what you want, which kind of car, which kind of the house, which kind of whatever you are required, which kind of study, and which how much percentage you need to keep if you're a student. So you have made your intention sheet. For example, you are manifesting your as a student, for scoring good. As a employee, you are doing good job. So always remember, you need to create your affirmations. When you made your intention sheet, then according to your intention, what you want from the universe, what you want to achieve from the life, you need to create a affirmation. Affirmations are the self-talks. Instead of listening from the people, you create your own self-talk which you want to get. That means consciously you are reprogramming your subconscious mind. Remember, consciously you are reprogramming your subconscious mind for your intention, what you have created. Hope I got I'm clear for you. Now suppose when whatever, for example, you want to score good mark, always remember you should use the gratitude. Your affirmation should fill with the gratitude. That means, thank you universe, I am scoring good marks in my exam. Acha. So what will do when you are asked, I am scoring good marks in exam, thank you universe, and when you made 21 days you made this, your neurons now ready, it is sending energy to universe to create the situation. What will happen? Your surrounding, suppose there are a disturbing element during your study, that disturbance element will go out, or you are not getting time to study, you will find the time, or you are having teacher, those are not able to make you might be getting a good teacher, universe will send you, universe will create situation to get the good marks in the exam. स्टडी तो आपको ही करना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू स्टडी, बट पढ़ाई करने से ही मार्क नहीं आ रहा था, और आई वॉज नॉट स्कोरिंग गुड मार्क, और व्हेन आई एम स्टडिंग आई वॉज गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब, दिस ऑल एलिमेंट्स your surrounding situation will create a universe so that you can get the good mark. Study हमको ही करना है. Now suppose you want to get a good car, thank you universe, thank you universe, I am riding my desired car, thank you universe, I am enjoying, you need to enjoy, I am enjoying my money I earn, thank you universe, I am enjoying good health. So create health, wealth, whatever you need. Create 5 affirmations. Right? Take a notebook. 5 affirmations. 5 affirmations. Write 33 times into 3 days. I will come why we are writing, why we are speaking loud. Listen, that I'll come later part at the end, how your subconscious mind program and how your 5 senses is been very powerful for constructing your mind, constructing your thought, everything. I'll come later part at the last of this. Thank you universe. For now, you just make your affirmation what you want, as I have told you, then write down 33 times one affirmations into 3 times. Remember, if you are writing at evening 7, find your leisure period where you are not going to disturb. Just sit, take deep breath, write down 30 times for 3 days. So you have initiated one ignition, you have initiated one clicking for your subconscious mind. Thank you.